Hi, Matt Capell with Capell Flooring here in the Boise area. Hey, if you like these videos, please like, comment, share below so I know which ones you like. If you have anything that you'd like to know, comment below and I'll address it in a video for you, okay? So when buying carpet, this is a little trick that I learned actually from my mother a long time ago, and it helps a lot. So if you're looking at a particular carpet sample here and you're looking at the colors, first of all, it's always important to take the carpet sample out and lay it on the floor like so, because you're going to have the light refracting off of it, and it's important to see it that way. The other thing too is it's really hard to kind of pick a color this way, or one thing that you're not aware of is, let's say for example you really like this color. Your eye is an amazing thing. It will actually process all the colors around it, and sometimes it can make it a little difficult or harder to select an actual carpet. So if you just take normal white paper, grab it from your printer or something like that, and what you do is you put white around one at a time that you're interested in. So you just cover it up like this. And you take a look at it and you're like, okay, do I really like this color or do I not? And what helps, the reason you put the white paper around it is you void out all the color, and what happens is if you don't have that, your eye kind of jumps around even though you're not aware of it, and it's taking in all the other color around it, and it can make it difficult or sometimes hard to pick a color. The other thing you can do too here is, so you like look at one and you're like, okay, well I want to compare it to this one. You can look at it like that and cover it up like that. The other thing too when buying carpet, it's really important to, if you can, to stand up, and if you can just step back about 5-10 feet like so and look at it that way, that's how you're going to see it on a large scale. And also it'll help because the light will refract off of it, and that's how you're going to see it too. For example, if you look really closely at this carpet, there's probably about 5-6 different colors in it. But what happens is your eye will blend it when it becomes on a large scale. So I would highly recommend using this white paper trick when you're picking out carpet. If you come to see us here at Capell Flooring, we do it all the time because it just helps you dial in that color and find the right color for your house and your space. So if you have any questions, please give us a call, come see us, comment below. I'll answer every comment. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.